Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, good morning everybody. How are you this morning? Okay, Alhamdulillah. I hope you are good and great. Yeah. Last meeting actually we have discussed about our material is to know the general work classes. So for today, inshallah, we wanna to discuss about our material is deconstruction. In the deconstruction, we have some points like root words, suffix and prefix. Prefix we can say also as affix. Indonesian language, we can say that one deconstruction adalah bagaimana kita membentuk sebuah kata menjadi beberapa kata tapi berbeda arti. Yeah, actually these root words, berarti it is like a tree. You can see the picture, ada gambar ya. There is one a tree, a root, and others. Yeah. And also we need some points like prefix or affix. Ya, ada awalan, and also suffix and akhiran. Yeah, in Indonesian language. Generally, actually we wanna only discuss first about root words. Ya, kita tidak bahas sekaligus semuanya, tapi satu saja dulu. It is root words. The purpose of our material is to figure out the meanings of the words and also to increase our vocabularies by deconstruction. Ya, bagaimana kita bisa mengetahui arti, bisa jadi menebaknya gimana, tentunya dengan cara membentuk, memecah kata-kata menjadi beberapa bagian. Ada akarnya, awalannya, dan akhiran. Okay, this only introducing. Now we come to the next slide. Okay, now we go on to the next slide. We wanna to discuss more about the construction, but it is only general information. As we know that one, in many English words can be traced back to Latin or Greek. Ya, berarti pada umumnya itu berasal dari bahasa Latin dan bahasa Yunani. Often we can guess the meaning of an familiar words. Yeah, it is based on three parts. Yeah, what are they? It is roots, prefix, and suffix. These 3 points are traced to the Latin and Greek. Ketiga bagian dari deconstruction ini itu berasal dari bahasa Latin juga ada, bahasa Yunani juga ada. So maybe we can know more about the point of view each of the part. Yeah. What's more, it is one about roots, prefix, suffix. Apa dasarnya, awalannya apa, dan kemudian akhirannya apa. Okay, maybe for this meeting we focus on about root. That's all. Okay, now we go on to look at an example each of the parts. For example, root, prefix, and suffix. It comes from or to base from Latin and Greek. Untuk contoh root, misalnya dari bahasa Latin kata script, ya, ada script. What does it mean? The meaning is to write. Kalau bahasa Latin ada juga yang berasal dari bahasa Latin, ada kata Greek, ya, kata anthropology biasanya, ya, anthrop artinya human, yaitu untuk root. Kalau prefix, for example, yang berasal dari bahasa Latin, ada pre, kata pre berarti before. Kemudian kata dari bahasa Greek, bio, bisa berarti life. You can see it. And then for suffix, kata Latin berakhir dengan "-fy", berarti to make or cause to become. Ada lagi yang berakhiran dengan ology, bahasa Greeknya berarti the study of, ya, itu secara umum, ya. So this general information. Okay, now let's go on to the first part. It is about root words, ya, merupakan kata dasar, ya. We want to give definition. The root words, it is a base word or it is part of a word, merupakan bagian dari kata dasar, ya. But it can't stand alone, berarti tidak bisa berdiri sendiri dia. The root words actually is used to serve the role of nouns, verb, and adjectives. Berarti nanti yang root words ini bisa menjadi nanti perannya apakah dia sebagai kata benda, kata kerja, atau kata sifat. So this one. Nanti kita rubah dari dasarnya akan berubah nanti perannya itu role of namanya jadi noun, verb, atau adjective. And actually for this root words generally is to figure out the meaning of bunches of words. Berarti kita bisa menjelaskan arti beberapa kata nanti dengan mencari dasarnya, ya. You can see the example. Ada yang berasal dari kata Latin, ada juga nanti dari bahasa Greek, ya. And I take a look at the example. Kata ambul, the meaning is to walk. Ada bahasanya berubah menjadi ambulatory, ambulance. Nah, di sana ada berupa beberapa contoh, okay. Now you can see the example. Maybe each of the example of roots, maybe we can develop into a sentence next. Okay, this example information from root words, secara umum tentang bagaimana kita bisa mengetahui dasar kata dasar dari sebuah kata yang tidak kita ketahui. So this one of example. Okay, maybe for the next slide I will give you an example and please take a look at the example. Okay. Okay, now we go on. This only example that we wanna to explore, and we wanna give the example on the sentence. Nanti kita beri contoh, ya, tentang masing-masing root ini. The first one, it is about the root of aim. Ada aim word. The definition is love, liking. So the meaning, yeah, this one, and the example of the word that we can add with prefix or suffix. Nah, ada kata able, bertambah dengan akhiran able, ya. And also audio, au, yang berakhiran tambah dengan au ini. You can see the one example, and maybe we can see the example each of the root word in the sentence. Let's take a look at this sentence. Okay. Okay, this is last session. Actually, you have listened and watched my explanation just now. Actually, I will give you a task. You should find and make it into sentence about the root words. Nah, silakan Anda buat nanti 10 ya, 10 root word, 10 kata dasar. Ya, apakah itu bahasa Latin Anda ambil atau bahasa Yunani, apakah Latin or Greek. And don't forget you should make it into sentence. Anda buat juga nanti kalau udah dapat kosakatanya, basic wordnya, what is the root word, definitionnya apa, and don't forget give example on the sentence. Okay, thank you so much for your attention and for your watching, and don't forget like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.